Hi, I'm Matt, and this is my elevator pitch for CIT 357. My idea is what are the methods and tools required to manage an information system. My research would involve researching different companies to see what tools and methods they currently use to manage their information and compare that to what other companies use, and then create a report from that data to determine a better management system for them to use that is cheaper and more effective. And I could deliver reports in numerical charts or electronic files, and then I could give that to the company as a result to see if they would update to my system or continue to use the system they have in place.